Ladies and gentlemen, gather round, let's talk about winners, let's astound. Their attitude is never to blame, they don't make excuses, they rise to fame. Excuses are the enemy of success, they prevent us from giving our best. When we are faced with obstacles and strife, winners find solutions, they change their life. They don't throw in the towel and give up, they don't whine and complain like a pup. They stand tall, they take the hit, they keep fighting, they never quit. Winners embrace challenges with glee, they see them as an opportunity. To grow, to learn, to become better, to emerge victories in any weather. So let's all be winners in our own way and make excuses a thing of yesterday. Let's rise up to the challenges we face and leave a legacy that time can't erase. Let's embrace the power of positivity and shun negativity and toxicity. Let's inspire others with our drive and show the world what it means to thrive. So, friends, let's all be winners today and pave the way for a brighter way. Let's make excuses a thing of the past and be the best. It's what wins make last.